This is the Joker Campero with K720 high carbon steel. Hopefully you guys can read this. Bohler K720 Carbano. This is really tight. Doesn't look like it's gonna fit. I'm gonna do some cutting test to show you guys the patina caused by it. I had a carbon steel knife before, so I know there's gonna be stains after cutting some fruits. I'm gonna clean this up and then come back and show you guys the patina caused by cutting these fruits. Now it's all cleaned up, and this is the patina caused by cutting the fruits. Because this is a high carbon steel, it is easily stained. This is a good blade. I got it from Amazon for $76.95, and then with tax I pay about $83. I wish this blade would have some jimping right here. I think it would make the blade look better. And also I feel that this the handle scale on this blade is a little bit too bulky, and it's also too round, making it look and feel inexpensive. So I'm gonna modify this handle scale, and when I'm done, I'll add it to the end of this video. I just finished modifying the handle scale, and now it looks so much better, and also it feels so much better in my hand as well. That's it for this video. Hope you guys enjoy.